Today I'll be working on this glue gun. It has been a good tool, but like so many others on the market, the stand is terrible. Because it is so unstable, I usually just lay it down. There are a lot of videos about making a larger, separate, usually a wooden stand. I've made one before, but it ended up being just something else I had to keep up with, and I ended up not using it. What I really like is the built-in stand that comes with the higher-end glue guns, like the Sure Bonder and the Power Nail. Those tools start off at over $90 though, so I'm just going to make a similar stand on this gun. We won't be needing this part, or this. I'm going to start off with a coat hanger like this. These are much better than the painted ones. I'm setting it up to get some basic measurements. The rear part of this tool sits flat when the tip is about 1.5 inches off the table. I'm going to make a template from one side first, and it looks like I'll need a piece of wire about 10 inches long. This is the finished left side template, and here it is mounted on the glue gun. On this gun, it seems pretty stable, just having the stick out about 1/2 inch right there. The front angle ended up being 45 degrees. Because of the template, I know where to make the bends. It will be made out of one piece. This is the bend for the rear. With the bend in the back made, I can now make the second bend up here. I'll just transfer the bend mark from here to here, and I'll bend both of these at the same time as well. Now they're both bent at 45 degrees, just like the original template. Transferring over the final bend marks. I am going to slightly enlarge these holes. This is the finished stand. Next step is to permanently attach it. For the glue, I'm using a 2-part epoxy. There are a lot of different brands. They're all about the same. You really want to use a 2-part. To hold it while this 2-part dries, I put a little bit of hot glue in the corners with this little gun. Coincidentally, it has a terrible stand too. This is the finished stand. It is very light and it's quite strong because it's one piece. The stand doesn't interfere with gluing. You can glue something and then quickly set it aside and it stays upright. Before, I would be fiddling with it, trying to get it to stand while the glue was setting. There was just about no cost involved in making this, and the concept can be adapted to most glue guns. The finished stand along with this prototype piece were both made from a single coat hanger. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks.